Hey guys, what is up? We made it. It's 2018, everyone. You know what? Actually, give me 1 second. Just all right. I needed that. Thanks, guys. I needed to clean up a little bit for the new year. My light almost just fell. It is a new year, but I can't just discard everything that happened in 2017. There's a lot of stuff I'm really proud of that happened this year. Earlier this year, I was able to graduate college, and just a couple months before that, January 19th, I posted my very first art tutorial. So I was super nervous when I was shooting this very first video. Hello and welcome to Naughty Egg Draw. I'm Jake, and today I'm here to bring you into the world of digital art. So everyone kind of knows about the Adobe products like Photoshop, Illustrator, Animate CC, or previously Flash. But even with those nerves, I kept making videos, and some of them were amazing. Okay, well, amazing is probably a strong word to use, but they were pretty good. Now this process is extremely simple. Extremely simple. Well, they got better. But people started to come and stay and watch what I was making. And then after a full year of posting videos, this happened.
Good morning. Let's start off today by love bombing someone. This is a YouTuber by the name of Naughty Egg Draw, and he has an art and animation channel where, similar to my sort of content, sort of has fun with art and animation, which, as you guys know, I totally approve of.
And with that, it brought so many of you amazing people, and I couldn't be happier about that. So in just a matter of 1 year, I went from having 0 subscribers to being just a little bit over 1,000 right now. So I guess one thing I really learned from 2017 is, if you have a passion for something, put your heart into it. People will notice when you put your heart into something. People will know that you love what you're doing. So I guess for 2018, all I really want to do is make great content for you guys. Maybe help you guys learn a little bit, laugh, maybe just have a little bit of fun throughout the whole thing. So with that being said, I want to ask you guys what you want to see more of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a poll up above for you guys to do, and it's just going to have questions on whether you want to see more tutorials, more Let's Draws, more art challenges with friends, things like that. So I'm also going to leave a comment down below that's going to be pinned to the top, and it's just going to be where you guys can comment different things and suggest things that you guys want me to do this year. But with all that being said, I hope you guys had a great 2017, and I hope you have an even better 2018. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you this Saturday in a new animation tutorial that I've been working on. But until that video, I'll see you later. Bye!